You know how sometimes you get a great gift idea, such as taking your kids on a vacation or an experience, but you can't come up with a creative and fun way to give it to them? Well, we came up with an idea that will help make that experience of giving the gift to them fun and memorable.
We decided to book a trip to Hawaii and wanted to give it to our kids on Christmas, even though we weren't taking this trip until a few months later. We struggled with how to give this gift to our kids because we wanted it to be memorable and wanted it to be a fun way to give it to them.
So the idea we came up with, and when I say we, I mean he came up with it while we were walking around Target. The idea we came up with is to give them a puzzle. So we bought a puzzle with a photo of Hawaii on it and put the whole thing together one night. We wrote on it with Sharpie, "We are going to Hawaii in 2023," and then took it back apart, put it back in the box, and wrapped it up to give it to them. Side note, I am really thankful that he talked me out of the 1,000-piece puzzle and that we got a much smaller puzzle since we had to put it together and take it apart. So when the kids opened up the puzzle on Christmas, they had no idea there was something more to it than just a puzzle. They opened it, they thought it was cool, put it aside, we went on with our day. Later that day, we all sat down to put the puzzle together. As they started working on it, they quickly realized that there were puzzle pieces with writing on it that wasn't on the cover of the box. So they started getting really curious, which was really fun.
So as the kids were doing the puzzle, I realized that maybe we should pull some of the pieces out because they were catching on really quickly. So I tried to pull some of the more specific pieces out.
They figured out "we are going to," and they saw "in 2023," but they couldn't tell where yet. And it was really fun to see them guess and build up their excitement about where we were going in 2023.
Our son totally screamed out that we were going to Wyoming because that's what he thought it was. So that was super cute. But
even today, he asked me, "Why was it so funny that I said, 'we're going to Wyoming'?" Eventually, they completed the puzzle and figured out where we were going in 2023. And after all the buildup and excitement and laughter of putting the puzzle together and guessing where we were going, it was really a more exciting and fun memory and experience than it would have been to just tell them, "We're going to Hawaii."
Hawaii!
So we would love to know, what other ways have you come up with to make an experience out of giving the gift of an adventure or vacation to your kids or to someone else? Post in the comments below so that we can all learn and be inspired by your ideas.
Thank you everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe for future videos and have a wonderful day.